Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Konimaphalaphatwa. If you're new here, please do subscribe, share, like, and comment. And if you're coming back, Queen King, or what you do, welcome back home. Welcome back home. As you guys saw by the title of the video, today I'm back again with triple S shop, ship, and shake. So guys, without wasting any time, let's just get straight into the video. So my queens and kings, is not my first time working with this company. It's my second time working with this company. So if it's your first time hearing about this company, I did do a video about this company. Please go check it out. The name of the company, it's Shop, Ship, Shake. So basically what they do, I'll summarize it for you, but still go watch that first video in order for you to understand more. So what they do, they help small and big businesses to grow in a way that they help them to stock or buy items in factory prices, so that is cheaper. If you're an individual, don't worry, because you can also buy one item each in like very cheap amount of money. So yeah guys, let me explain why you are here today. I'm happy to inform you guys that Shop Ship Shake has launched six channel. So today I'll be explaining to you all those six channel. So the first channel is Source Factory. So basically Source Factory is that you find all the products, all the items that you want, the trendy items that you've been seeing on Instagram or in Small Street or Marava Start. You can find them directly from the factory, directly from China. That's why I'm saying that you save the coins. If you're wondering, you can check the website. It's triple S Shop, Ship, Shake. And the next one will be, so guys, the second channel will be Hot Sales. I know we all, even me included, we love saving money, we love saving those coins. So there's a channel called Hot Sales. So what does it mean? Every time you go there on the Hot Sales channel, you get every single item that it's on sale. So it helps you to navigate the sale items simply. So they grouped all the sales item in one channel, so they have Hot Sales channel. Queens and kings, so the third one will be preparing for new season. I'm sure you're asking yourself, preparing for new season? Yes, preparing for new season. That is the third channel. So what happens is, they right now in South Africa, we currently in winter, so they are preparing for summer. However, you can still find winter items in affordable prices, in quality things, and yeah, that is preparing for the next season. So even if right now we on winter, you can still get summer items in very low prices. Right now they're on sale, so I'd advise you to go there and buy more summer clothes, since we'll be moving to summer next. We're on the fourth one. So the fourth one is shipping method. So the customer can choose any shipping method between the two, which is air shipping and ocean shipping. So I think the ocean shipping takes time and it's cheaper. However, the air one, it's faster, cause we're flying, okay, we're flying our merchandise this side in South Africa. So you get an opportunity to choose between the two shipping method. However, other websites, they just, I won't mention that, but then in Shop Ship Shake, you can choose as a customer. In that way you can choose, okay, I want to save more money, let me choose ocean or air one. So now number five, guys. Number five is weight estimation activity. I'm sure you're asking yourself, wait, yes, I said it, wait. You can select different weight scope, okay, then there will be different goods showed to you as a customer. More clear, like more clear goods will be showed to you as the customer. And in that way, if you choose like lightweight things, your shipping will be cheaper. So in Shop Ship Shake, they give you options as a customers. They give you different method as a customers to save what? More coins. Now guys, my queens and kings, the last channel is new products, new arrivals. The last channel is called new arrivals, guys. So what happens in new arrivals is that in that channel they show you every new product, if you want to be the number one to make something trend, go to that channel, because you will get new products there and purchase new products and come to South Africa, sell them, wear it, like show it on Instagram, show it off. So that is the last channel, guys. So my queens and kings, if you have more questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you are wondering about Shop Ship Shake, I did a full video explaining what they do, explaining what they like what they provide, what they to customers. So please go check out that video. It will really help you, because guys, we're buying items here in very expensive items in South Africa, while you can like ship it straight coming from the factory with triple S. Come on. So as I said, they launched 6 channels. Let's recap those channels. So number 1, it's Sauce Factory. Number 2, it's Hot Sales. Number 3, it's New Arrivals. Number 4, it will be preparing for new seasons. Number 5, it's Shipping Method. And the last one will be weight estimation activities. So yeah guys, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment, and not forgetting to follow me on Instagram. And by the way, Triple S, they do have a YouTube channel, they do have a Facebook page, and they do have an Instagram page. Until next time, from me to you, bye. Bye.